Hello, guys, and welcome to class. So today we're going to be talking about how to create a Meta Ads account, which is formerly known as a Facebook Ads account. So I'm going to be covering how you can create this account from scratch, how you can link this account to your Instagram page, and how you can set up the ads account, right? So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So, I'm going to be using this Facebook account, right? So it's very important to know that you need a Facebook account for this. So if you don't have a Facebook account, create a Facebook account. But I'm pretty sure that most of us already have Facebook accounts. So another thing that you need is your Instagram account. So if you already have an Instagram account, and you want to start running ads as a business, but you don't know how to start, then then this is a guide for you. So by the time you log into your Facebook account, what you need to do is you scroll down, you see a lot of options here, right? So you scroll down and click on see more. So when you click on see more, you're going to scroll down and then you will see this pages button. So you click on pages, right? So after clicking on pages, you click on create new profile or new page, right? So click on this. So, we're going to be creating this for a business. So it's not a personal profile, right? So you leave this, you come here and you click on public page, grow as a business creator or organization. So then you click on this and then you click on next. So this is just an overview of the tools, what you're able to do with the page. So you can use advanced professional tools, you can assign access to others, you can get actionable insights, you can reach more people, all of that stuff. So by the time you are done, you just click on get started. So you'll be met with this page. This is how you start creating your page, your Facebook page. So let's call this page what do we call it now? Let's call it Fergus Fergus Shop, right? So you can now come here and select category. For instance, let's say shopping. It's a shopping service, right? So whatever service, whatever your business does, you can always come here. If your business is a retail shop, if your business is a band or a musician, if it's a grocery shop, whatever it is. So the category is here for you to choose. So for me, I'm gonna be choosing shopping, right? Because I'm going to be using a shopping example. So click on shopping service, then enter your bio. This is optional. You can always do that later. So let's say we sell quality female wears. So whatever it is you want to actually put on your bio, just go ahead and enter it here, right? So after that, you click on create page. Create page. So um okay, so it's loading. So just wait for it to load. And after doing that, you get to see a bunch of options here, right? For instance, your website. So if you have a website, you come here and enter your website. Your phone number, come here and enter your phone number. So let's say Nigeria, right? Come here, Nigeria, enter your phone number, enter your email, enter your address, enter, just follow the prompt. Just follow the prompt. Whatever hours you are opened and all of that. So by the time you're done doing this, click on next. Okay, so they want us to enter a number here. So let's see. Okay, when you're done, just click on next. So you come here, which is step 2, you add your profile picture, add your cover picture, and you can add an action button. This is like a call to action button. If you want people to click on shop now, however button you want to put, you can go ahead and put it there. So you click on next. So the next thing you need to do is to connect your WhatsApp to your page if you want to. So you can actually skip this process. It's not compulsory for you to connect your WhatsApp to your page. So if you want to, please by all means go ahead and do that. So by the time you enter your number here, you get a code. So you fill in the code and you can go to the next stage. So I'm going to be skipping this process. So just click on skip. You have the option to invite your friends, and after that, just click on the next button. So you're just going to be met with some information here. So just make sure you read through this and then click on done. So by the time you click on done, you have successfully created a page for your business, right? So when you're done with this, you automatically have a business, a Meta Business Manager. So by the time you're done creating a business page, it means that you automatically have a business manager. So what do I mean by this? So what you need to do is just go to business.facebook.com. Remember, it's business.facebook.com, not www.business.facebook.com. So by the time you go to business.facebook.com, you're going to see that you now automatically have a Meta Business Suite account, right? So by reason of me creating this page, automatically the account is going to reflect on business.facebook.com. So this is what you're going to see. This is the page that I just created, right? So you're going to see all of this. So when you click on all tools, you see a lot of options. Now, your business.facebook.com or your Meta Business Suite account is the account that covers everything that has to do with your ads and your content, how you manage your ads, how you manage your content. You can schedule posts here. You can manage events here. You can create an e-commerce store here. Like, it just houses everything that has to do with your advertising and your audience, right? So by the time you come here, you'll be met with billings, payments, events manager, all of these options, right? They all have their functions. So what I want us to note here is the billings and payments page. So by the time you click on this, you see how you can be able to create your ads account. But before that, let's go back to this. So by the time you are done creating this page, what you need to do is you need to link it to your Instagram, because you're not just going to be running your ad from Facebook. You're also going to run your ad. You're also going to run Instagram ads, right? That is from your posts on Instagram. So what you need to do is you go to your Instagram and then you link this account, this page I have created, to your Instagram. So let's just quickly go ahead and do that. So you do this on your phone, right? So let's go ahead. So what you need to do is you open your Instagram, right? So this is the Instagram account. So what you do is you click on this menu button. After clicking on it, you see this option, the first one, which is account center. So you click on account center, right? And you see options here. So what you need to do is the first option, that's what we're here, right? So you click on this, and by the time you come here, you see that if you've not added, okay, the reason you are seeing a Facebook account here already is because I have already linked my Facebook account to this Instagram, right? But since you are just creating your Facebook account, your Facebook ads page, and you want to do this fresh, right? So when you come here, you're not going to see any Facebook page here. So by the time you are met with this, what you need to do is you click on add account, right? So it might show on your own as add Facebook account. So after you've clicked on that button, you see an option where you will be directed to connect the Facebook account. So by the time you click on the button, you'll see what you need to do is you type in the name of that page. So in this case, remember the page you created is Fergus Shop. So by the time you type Fergus Shop or whatever business page that you have created, you will see that it will pop up, and then you click on it and you click add. So that's just how you are going to add it from your phone. So don't forget, you come to your menu button, come to account center, then you come to click on the first option. So you this, because I already added it, that's why it's here. But for you, you're not going to see it here. So what you need to do is you click on add Facebook account. So by the time you click on add Facebook account, you see an option where you can type in the Facebook account that you want to add, or the Facebook page. So just search, type the name of the Facebook page, right? Oh, type the name of the Facebook account, right? So by the time you've typed it, you see it pop up, and then make sure you click save, and that's how you can add that, you can link it to your Instagram account, right? So when we're done with this, let's move on to the next stage. After that, the next thing you need to do is to check and make sure that the page is linked, right? That's the Instagram is linked to the Facebook. What do I mean? So what you do is you come and on edit profile, right? So click on edit profile just for us to confirm, right? Click on edit profile. So after you click on edit profile, you see an option here, right? Sorry, you see this option called page, right? So when you click on it, so because I already connected a page here, that's why it's showing me this. But for you, if you've not connected a page already, you're going to see a button here. You see this red button that is showing connect disconnect page is going to be another button that says connect page. So what you do is you click on that button, and what's going to come up is the page that we just linked is going to be showing there that, oh, you've already linked this page. But if it didn't work, you see that you need to relink it, right? So just make sure that you come here to check that it's already linked, right? But if you have followed the first step that I just showed you, then when you come to this page and you click on connect page, if it's already linked, it will definitely show that you've already linked it. Another thing you need to know is that you need to have your Facebook app, and it needs to be logged into your phone, right? So if you don't have Facebook on your phone and you've not logged in your Facebook, that is the Facebook account now that we're using to create this page, this ads account, it's not going to show here. Do you understand? So make sure that you have your Facebook app and make sure that it is logged in. Now that's it on linking the Instagram to the Facebook. When you're done linking it on Instagram, right, you need to come back to Meta Business Suite, right? So when you come back here, you come underneath and then you click on all tools. After clicking on all tools, you click on billing and payments, right? So when we get here, this is what you're going to see. But then we'll take it a step further. You click on the all tools button again, and you'll be met with these options. So what you need to do now is click on business settings, right? After clicking on business settings, you're going to see the ad account that you created here. That is, in this our case, we created an account for Fergus Shop, right? And you know what you created your own account with, so you're going to see it here. The reason we're not seeing the one I created here now is because I did not link it, right? I told you I already had this account linked to my Instagram page. But if you're doing this fresh, you're going to definitely see the one that you linked to your Instagram is going to be here. So what you need to do now is click on it, right? So after you click on it, you just need to come here and click on pages, right? Under these options, under accounts option, that's where you see pages. So click on the account option, then you click on pages. Now, what we just want to do here is to check if the account has been added. Now, this account is already here because, like I said, I already had this linked to my Instagram, right? So I did not link the Fergus shop to my Instagram. So that's why it's showing here, right? So by the time you come here, you'll see that there's a blank space here on yours, and then there's just going to be an add button, right? So when you click on the add button, so I still have an add button here. So you click on the add button on your own, right? Click on the add button, then you click on add an existing Facebook page. Remember, we already created a page, so you're not creating a new page. You are adding an existing Facebook page. So click on it. So by the time you've clicked on it, what you need to do is search out that page. In our case, we created an account called Fergus Shop, right? So when you come here, you click on the account, and then the button you're going to see here is add page, right? So you click on add page, and that's all. Immediately you click on add page, it's going to show on your account like this, right? So make sure that you try it out. It's going to show on your account like this. So when you're done adding it, we also need to check the Instagram, right? After this is the Facebook, right? So you need to go to the Instagram, click on this option, Instagram accounts here. So when you're done clicking it, you'd see, okay, like I said, I already linked this before, right? So that's why you're seeing this interface like this. But in your own case, yours is going to be empty. So it's going to show you an option where you can log into your Instagram account. So by the time you just click on that login, if it was successfully linked the way I showed you initially using your phone, you are automatically going to be logged in here, right? But if it wasn't linked, it's going to show you a page where you need to log into Instagram. So at this point, when you get here, you're not going to see this. You're going to see the login option. So you click on it, enter your account username and your password, and then you log in your Instagram, and then it will become automatically linked to this account. So that's it on the linking. So what's next is for us to create the ads account proper. So still under this, you need to click on the ads account button. The only reason you're seeing this first shop here is because I already linked the account. This account is already existing. I already linked it. I already created another account for this, right? But yours is going to be showing the account that you create, the page you created, and the page that you have linked already. So, since I already have an ads account here, I'm just going to show you how you can create an ads account on your own end. So, when you come here, you're going to see a button that says add or create ad account, right? So, in this case, this is the button. So, you click on the button that's shown on your end, right? So by the time you do this, you'll be met with these three options, right? I hope you're following. So by the time you've seen this three options, what did we come here to do? We came here to create a new ads account, right? So what you do is you click on create a new ad account. Now, you need to name this ads account, right? So in this case, remember we created a page called Fergus Shop. So you name this ads account Fergus Shop. Depending on what your page name is, that's what you're going to put here. Now, when it comes to the time zone, you're going to select the time zone that you are in. In our case, we are in Nigeria, so we're using Africa/Lagos. So that's what you're going to choose here. Now, in terms of currency, now this part is very important because we are trying to create a prepaid ads account. What do you mean? What do I mean by a prepaid ads account? You don't need to fund this account with dollars. You don't need to worry about it getting disabled, maybe because of funding, because even before you run an ad, there needs to be money there. You understand what prepaid is now, how prepaid works like. You need to have the money in your account before you can use it to run an ad. It's just like having light on your meter and you're using units. If there's no unit on that meter, there's not going to be light, right? So you have to load your unit first. Now that is how a prepaid ads account works. You need to send money to the account first before you can run an ad, and that's the goal. We need to create a prepaid ads account. So when you come to your currency, make sure that you go for Naira, which is where you're based, right? So we'll just search for the Nigerian Naira. This is the only way you can have a prepaid ads account. So don't forget, always choose Naira here. So when you're done with this, you click on the next button. So who will this account be used for? It's your business, right? So you just select your business and then you click on next. So um, after that, you come here and then you just click on agree, right? So, by the time you're done with, by the time you've come here and you click on create ad account. So after that, a you'll be met with a screen that shows you to add your payment info, right? So what you need to do is you click on add payment info, right? So now this is another important part. So if we're in Nigeria, so you need to select your country, Nigeria. When you're done, make sure that you're selecting Make sure that you're selecting the currency Nigerian Naira. Remember, I said it's important that you use Nigerian Naira in order for you to create a Nigerian prepaid account. So you won't have the hassle of trying to fund the account in dollars. So by the time you've selected the button here, you come here and you make sure that it is in Lagos, Africa, right? Because that's our location. Our location is Lagos, Africa. So after doing that, you click on next, which takes you to the next step, right? So it it shows you here now to your payment information. Now, since we are trying to create a prepaid Nigerian ads account, what you need to do here is click on this Naira payments with MasterCard. Now, when you click on this, next. So it'll take you to this screen where it shows you to enter your VAT ID. If you have a VAT ID, you can go ahead and enter, but if you do not, you can skip it. It's optional. So I'm just going to skip this part and then we'll move to the next part, which is for you to add funds to the account. Now it's going to show you a default amount. Don't be scared. You can always decide on how much you can add. For instance, let's say we want to add how much is this 100,000. Let's say you want to okay, this 100,000. Let's say it's 100,000 you want to fund the account. No matter how much the amount is, you can go ahead and add the amount. But when you first of all want to add it to show you a default amount, so I just want to let you know that that amount is adjustable to how much you want to put in the account, right? Although there will be a limit by the time you start running ads with the account, it will show you the limits to which you can add, you can put money in the account. Some accounts are 1 million, some it just varies, right? So but for now, we're just funding the account at first. So you put the amount that you want to put in the account and then you click on next. So let's just wait while it's loading. And it'll take you here. Now, this is the part where it will show you where you can enter your details, where you can add you can, enter your card details and then add the font. So what you need to do is just click on this button. So when you are done, you click on continue, right? So it will take you to this page. Now, what this page is for you to enter your card details. So just go ahead, enter your card number, enter your name, the month on the card, the year on the card, and then when you are done, you click on this pay. So as soon as you click on this pay, it will show when the whole process is completed, it will show payment successful, right? So by the time you are done, by the time it shows you payment successful, you will now be redirected to and so you'll be redirected back to where we started from, and then to show that your ad account now has 50,000 naira inside. So now that's just literally it. So by the time you get to this point, just know that you have successfully completed creating your ads account and then funding it. So by the time you've entered your details and clicked on pay, just know you are done, right? So for the sake of this class, let's just cancel this. So let's go back. So by the time you are done funding your account, everything will be set, and then that account is ready. Once you've followed all of these steps, you've created your Facebook page, you've linked it to your Instagram, you've created the ads account, you've funded the ads account. That's basically it. Then you've linked the ads account to your Instagram. Just know that you'll be able to start running ads, right? So just make sure that you're able to follow each of these steps, practice it on your own, follow each of these steps step by step, and then after that you can start running ads. Now there's the next video will show you how you can be able to start running ads. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you.